Hey guys, welcome back to Cause 3D, and we had a very generous donor send us something really cool today, and we are getting ready to unbox our holiday edition 7-foot tall animatronic Darth Vader. Let's tear into this thing and see what we got. So let's get into this box. We just did the holiday Stormtrooper the other day, and they were sold out of the Vaders, and I know these came out last year, but they kind of flew under the radar with us, and we didn't see them until recently. Hey, directions on the box, that's handy. So, all right, what we're gonna do is get this moved over, and then we're gonna start getting the base and start building it up. He is huge. All right, guys, there you have it. We got him built, and not gonna lie, he was a lot more complicated than the Stormtrooper, Holiday Stormtrooper was. But I mean, I'm 5'10", and he's 7 feet tall. He's massive. I mean, not, again, like we did with the Stormtrooper, not exactly screen accurate, but still pretty cool. We've got a little bit of work to do on getting him just kind of filled out a little bit here. We've got some creases and so forth, but he's, I'd give him a 9 out of 10 probably. I mean, he comes with a candy cane lightsaber blade, not that, you know, that won't last but a month, but that's okay. He's got a Halloween Death Star pumpkin that simply plugs into the hand here, and it does have electronics. I'm assuming it probably has a light that lights up on the inside, but a nice little Death Star jack-o'-lantern. And then he's got a Death Star Christmas ornament as well, and I don't know where that would go yet, but might be what this little strange strap is that came with it. May actually go around his fingers, perhaps. I'm guessing, as he topples forward. But anyway, so that's it. I mean, come on. It's, again, it's Star Wars. And we just want to say a special thanks to the guy that managed to order this when it was on back order. We couldn't find it, and we got a notification that it was coming, and it showed up at our doorstep today. So we hope you enjoyed the videos. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you in the next one.